PTC's portfolio consists of 6 interrelated product areas: computer-aided design, application lifecycle management, product lifecycle management, the industrial Internet of Things, augmented reality, and service lifecycle management. The first area, computer-aided design or CAD, is the beginning of the discrete manufacturing process after the requirements are set. With 3D CAD, software engineers conceptualize, design, analyze and validate products and generate the outputs you need to drive downstream process in manufacturing and beyond. Our brands for CAD are Creo and Onshape. The second area of our portfolio is application lifecycle management, or ALM. Today, physical products rely on integrated software systems more than ever before. ALM manages the entire software development lifecycle with full requirements management and validation with complete digital product traceability. Quality ALM is increasingly vital for a variety of smart products with complex digital systems, from hair straighteners with algorithms detect hair type to autonomous cars, where compliance for steering and braking is critical to safety long after they've left the factory floor. PTC's brands for ALM are Codebeamer and Windchill RV&S. The third area of the portfolio is Product Lifecycle Management, or PLM. PLM manages the evolving product definition from engineering teams, including embedded software, simulations, requirements and more. It supports change and configuration management processes to form the Engineering Bill of Materials, or EBOM. Stakeholders and manufacturing can create their own views of the Bills of Materials, or MBOM, and author configuration, specific process plans and work instructions. The service team's view of the BOM, or the SBOM, includes all the information required to service the product throughout its useful life, from service part to disassembly and reassembly instructions. PLM handles the complexity of products with numerous models, global variance and compliance, information from cars and coffee machines to medical devices and industrial generators. Using PLM, manufacturers are building more sustainable products built from eco-friendly materials, reducing energy consumption and carbon use in their production, and maximising recyclability at the end of their useful life. PTC's brands for PLM are Windchill and Arena. The fourth area of the portfolio is the industrial Internet of Things, which consists of IIoT for manufacturing and IIoT for service. IIoT for manufacturing help manufacturers understand where they've lost time in their manufacturing process and identify which issues to prioritise. These solutions optimise manufacturing efficiency by connecting to machines on the factory floor and synthesising data from siloed sources into a real-time integrated view of all operations. This unified view is made possible through industrial connectivity that connects machine data from the plant floor to provide real-time production data that's used to drive quality and optimise factory operation. IIoT for service is the backbone of the digital twin, a digital representation of a real-world product that lets engineering teams compare the digital product definition from PLM to the physical product in use. Connecting to products in the field reveals key insights that fuel continual product improvements, benefiting in-life products and enabling data-driven design. PTC brands for IIoT are ThingWorx and Kepware. The fifth area is augmented reality. Augmented reality offers a better way to create and deliver work instructions by overlaying content under real-world environments and machines. These work instructions can be created by using existing 3D designs, product parts information and service data. With AR, intuitive visual guidance and step-by-step instructions, technicians can more efficiently service and repair machines, improving first-time fix rate. You can perform more accurate quality inspections on complex assemblies, operate machines more effectively and get a new generation of frontline workers into production faster with immersive training. PTC's brand for augmented reality is Viewforia. The sixth area of the portfolio is service lifecycle management. For SLM, after a product is designed and manufactured, it requires service throughout its use. PTC's SLM technologies use data from engineering and connected products to improve service outcomes and unlock new business opportunities. These technologies also feed valuable data back to engineering, improving future product designs. PTC's SLM solutions help create, manage and deliver technical content efficiently. They streamline and automate warranty claim management, returns and supplier recovery with powerful analytics. They optimize the distribution of parts within the service parts supply chain, anticipating parts demand with sophisticated forecasting, ultimately ensuring the right part is in the right place at the right time for the right price. SLM solutions orchestrate technician activity for service events, ensuring technicians have the skills, tools, parts and information to complete a work order quickly. To minimise equipment downtime, efficient service operations contribute to sustainability initiatives, maximise uptime and free cash flow, and enable value-added services. PTC brands for SLM are Service Max, PTC Warranty, Arbortext and Servigistics. Today, data is often siloed across organisations, restricting its flow from where it's needed, not just from PTC solutions, but also from systems like MES, ERP and CRM. But with PTC's comprehensive portfolio that integrates engineering, manufacturing, sales and service, you can find significant efficiencies to gain a competitive advantage and transform the way you do business. We hope you've learned how our products can work together, breaking down those silos and getting the right information to the right teams at the right time and in the right context. This is what we call the digital thread. If you'd like to find out more about any of the products mentioned today, get in touch with us here at Concurrent Engineering. We'd be pleased to discuss your plans.